Dice que él sabe dónde vivir, no están ellos, dónde están ellos. Vale, luego poner un boli. Solamente yo lo que es una asociación. Señor, por favor, mascarilla.
Fuck's sake. Right, now, passport, shower.
Hi, good evening.
It's not good.
It's not good? What's the problem?
Oh, I just got beaten up by two fucking niggers.
Speak slowly, please, because my English is not very well now. I need to know that happened with you.
Okay.
Slowly,
Yes, sure,
please.
sure.
Why you have blood in your hands?
Because two women just chased me, ran after me with sticks and hit me.
But why two women with stick kick you? What's the problem? Normally the people don't kick other people.
Normally, yes, normally. But last night I was in the same bar. Same bar.
What bar?
I'll show you. I'll show them.
What? Last night you has in this bar drinking some beer or something?
No, I don't drink beer.
Huh?
I don't drink beer.
But maybe
I eat anchovies, and there's lots of children around, yeah? And there's a table, one table with 12 people, yeah? And I'm thinking, hello, COVID, normally only 4 people on a table, yeah? But there's fucking 12 people, lots of children, and I go away for a cigarette, and I come back, and my video camera, gone.
Was it stolen?
No, it walks off itself.
But now your video camera isn't here?
No, it's not here.
It's stolen?
It's stolen by, I think, a child. Because the child was on my table picking up shit of mine. And I say, no, fuck off.
And then?
My video camera's disappeared.
Yeah.
So, I go there now, and I say, do you have my video recorder? And they say, oh, no lo sé, no comprendo.
Yeah.
And again and again. And so then I finish and I go, fuck you, like so. And then I'm not finished. Then they come running at me with fucking sticks, and I run away, and they run after me, and bang, 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 bang.
Put the stick in the bag. Yeah.
So that's my story, okay? That's my fucking story.
Can you remember the face of these people?
Of course I can.
Of course. If you see these people, you can.
They're still working in the restaurant. They're working in the restaurant, motherfucker.
Okay. But firstly, you need to go to the hospital.
No, I don't. I just have to have a shower. A shower.
Okay. Okay.
And I'll show the policemen these bitches. I'll show them.
Okay.
Walk with me.
You need to relax now because these people are here to work for you. Okay.
Good.
For solution your problem.
Good.
Okay.
Good. These are fucked.
Slowly, relax.
Yeah.
Firstly, you need to put a report. Okay. And then this policeman, this professional policeman, go to the bar to
Arrest